Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message has been brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development. More One Nation. Reporting live in UJ with two gentlemen. Gentlemen, what is your name, sir, and what is it that you are studying here in UJ?
My name is Komoso Malet and I'm studying Diploma in Tourism Management.
Number one, sir, and you?
My name is Matthews Rampis and I'm studying Diploma in Tourism Management.
Oh, so you guys are both doing tourism?
Yeah.
How are you finding the course, sir? So for what is tourism about?
Tourism is not about just traveling.
Yes.
It also has management.
Yes.
There are a lot of things that you can do in tourism. Actually, it's fun.
Okay. And you, sir, what would you say tourism is about to you? What does it say to you?
I think tourism is all about studying different countries on what they offer, different sectors in tourism, and all about the management of tourism attractions, and also developing attractions in order to bring tourists
into the country.
Yeah,
Number one, sir. So if I'm in high school and I want to study tourism, are my subjects that you have to focus on? Which ones are those?
I think firstly you need to focus on tourism.
Okay.
Make sure that you understand what is tourism.
Okay.
What, like, in terms of.
So the school you went to, it offered tourism.
Yeah, we did the tourism as a subject.
Okay, that's number one. It also helps to actually study it in high school, yeah?
Yeah.
And you said, did you go to a tourism school?
Yeah, they were offering tourism, but I did it with business studies and economics.
Oh, you did business. You didn't take tourism in high school?
I did take tourism.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, it was a combined.
It was a combined thing?
Yeah, subject.
Okay.
It was called communism.
Okay, communism. So if a child wants to be in tourism, parents are listening, if actually putting them in tourism high school or a school that actually offers tourism can actually help, né? What's the name of the school you went to?
I went to Bela Bela High, which is in Limpopo.
Limpopo. And you, sir?
I went to Sahel Secondary School based in Gauteng.
Gauteng. Okay, cool, guys. A 16-year-old, you were still saying tourist subjects, yeah? What other subjects?
English. I think mostly it's just tourism and English.
Okay.
Those two.
Anything you want to add, sir?
Also Maths Lit.
Maths Lit, yeah? Or the maths, it works?
Yeah.
Oh.
It does work.
Okay. Okay, guys. In Zulu, take the advantage of this video with these two gentlemen. Before we go, gentlemen, can I just ask you something, sir? Do you know about e-ringers? Do you know what it is? You know what ringers? E-ringers is a universal airtime that you can send the airtime to anyone around the country. Vodacom, MTN, Cell C. You just buy e-ringers voucher and you send the airtime. No more need to be specific with the network right now, okay? So next time you recharger, use ringers, okay? With that being said, you say, can you just say, Mwah ringers? Okay, you say Mwah Career Expo.
Mwah Career Expo
2025. In unison, guys, can you just say Mwah Career Corner? 1, 2, 3, go.
Mwah Career Corner.
Mwah Career Corner.
Cut. Conquer your tomorrows by getting the right and relevant career guidance today. This message has been brought to you by Career Corner, a division of One Nation Youth Development. More One Nation.